8372. The part of a DC alternator power system that prevents reverse flow of current from the battery to the alternator is the A. Reverse current relay, B. Voltage regulator, C. Rectifier. The correct answer is C. In a DC alternator power system, the part that prevents the reverse flow of current from the battery to the alternator is the rectifier. The rectifier converts alternating current, AC, produced by the alternator into direct current, DC, that can be used to charge the aircraft's battery. It ensures that the current flows in one direction, from the alternator to the battery, preventing any backflow. 8373. The generating system of an aircraft charges the battery by using A. Constant current and varying voltage, B. Constant voltage and varying current, C. Constant voltage and constant current. The correct answer is B. The generating system of an aircraft charges the battery by using a constant voltage and varying current. The voltage is regulated to a specific level to ensure proper charging, while the current may vary depending on the state of charge of the battery. As the battery becomes more charged, the current decreases. 8374. The constant current method of charging a nickel-cadmium battery? A. Will bring it up to fully charged in the shortest amount of time. B. Will lead to cell imbalance over a period of time. C. Is the method most effective in maintaining cell balance? The correct answer is C. The constant current method of charging a nickel-cadmium (NCD) battery is the method most effective in maintaining cell balance. This method involves charging the battery with a constant current until it reaches a specific voltage level. It helps ensure that all the cells in the battery receive an equal amount of charge, preventing cell imbalance and maximizing the battery's performance and lifespan. 8376. Which of the following aircraft circuits does not contain a fuse or circuit breaker? A. Generator circuit, B. Air conditioning circuit, C. Starter circuit. The correct answer is C. Among the given options, the aircraft circuit that does not contain a fuse or circuit breaker is the air conditioning circuit. Fuses or circuit breakers are typically installed in electrical circuits to protect against overcurrent and prevent damage to the circuit or equipment. However, the air conditioning circuit may not require a fuse or circuit breaker, depending on the specific design and requirements of the aircraft. 8377. The maximum number of terminals that may be connected to any one terminal stud in an aircraft electrical system is A2, B3, C4. The correct answer is C. In an aircraft electrical system, the maximum number of terminals that may be connected to any one terminal stud is 4. Terminal studs are used for connecting electrical wires or cables, and they have a maximum capacity for accommodating a certain number of terminals.